Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shahnaz Jannat and today I will talk about grey matter and white matter. So what is grey matter and what is white matter? First, see our nervous system. So this is our nervous system. We can divide our nervous system into two main groups: central nervous system or CNS, then peripheral nervous system or PNS. Now what is the structure of our nervous system? Our nervous system made up by two types of cells. It made up by neurons and neuroglial cells. So neurons are the true functional cells of our nervous system, and neuroglial cells contain nutrient and energy for neurons. So neuroglial cells are the supportive cells for our neurons, and neurons are the true functional cells of nervous system. Let's see a neuron. Suppose this is cell body of neuron or dendroid, and this is axon. Now if I put so many cell body together, cell bodies don't contain myelin sheath, so they are gray in color. So these are group of cell bodies and these are group of axon. So group of cell bodies present in central nervous systems are called grey matter. And these are axon. Group of axon present in central nervous system are called white matter because they contain myelin sheath, so they are white in color. So these are white matter. So what is the grey matter and what is the white matter? Group of cell bodies present in central nervous systems are called grey matter, and group of axon present in central nervous systems are called white matter. So grey matter and white matter, they are nothing but neurons. Okay. Now what about peripheral nervous system? Because our peripheral nervous systems also made up by neurons, so they also have cell bodies and axons. Are they also called grey matter or white matter? Yes or no? No. They for them have different name. If group of cell bodies present in peripheral nervous system, they are called ganglion. And if group of axon present in peripheral nervous system, they are called nerves. So if you heard name of nerves, so you can understand these are the group of axon present in peripheral nervous system. And if someone tell you about white matter, what is white matter? They are also group of axon, but they are present in central nervous system. And group of cell bodies present in central nervous systems called grey matter, and group of cell bodies present outside of central nervous system called ganglion. Now we can divide our grey matter into two groups. cortex and nucleus. Cortex and nucleus. So what is cortex? Cortex also group of cell bodies because they are gray matter, and nucleus also group of cell bodies. Okay, now let's make a diagram. So this is our cerebellum, midbrain, pons, medulla and spinal cord. If a group of cell bodies present edge or surface of the cerebrum or surface of the cerebellum, they are called cortex. Now some group of cell bodies present surface of the cerebrum and surface of the cerebrum. If a cell body is present on surface, they are called cortex. So these are cortex. Cerebral cortex and cerebellar cortex. Now what is nucleus? Then these are cell bodies of neurons. Then axon come like this. These are axon. Now some cell bodies present another part of the central nervous system like this, and you can see these are surrounded by white matter. Now if a group of cell bodies present in central nervous system and a deep part of central nervous system and they are surrounded by white matter, then they are called nucleus. Okay, so this is nuclei because this is group of cell bodies in deep part of central nervous system and these are surrounded by white matter. So these are nuclei. Okay, nuclei. Now what is cortex? If a group of cell bodies present surface of cerebrum or surface of cerebellum, these are called cortex. And if group of cell bodies present deep part of central nervous system and they are surrounded by white matter, then these are called nucleus. Now say white matter. We can also divide our white matter in different groups. First make a diagram. This is our cerebrum, midbrain, pons, medulla, spinal cord and cerebellum. Now some axons come. So group of axons are called white matter. Now some axons collect information from downward and take it to upward. Okay, and some axon from upward go downward. Okay, some axon collect information and go upward and some axon come upward to downward. Okay, so if axon go upward or go downward, these are called tracts. Now if axon go from upward to downward, then these are descending tract. And if axon go downward to upward, these are ascending tracts. So from downward to upward, these are ascending tracts, and from upward to downward, these are descending tract. Okay, so our ascending tract and descending tract, these are collect information from up down. So these are also group of axon and white matter. Now another types of axon or white matter that take information from left side of our central nervous system and give it to right side, and from right to left. Okay, take information from right to left and left to right. Okay, this connect left side of our brain with right side of our brain, and from right side of our body to left side of our brain. These are commissural fibers. These are commissural fibers. Okay, this take information from left to right and right to left. Okay, if axon go up and down, these are called tracts, and if axon go left and right or right to left, these are commissural fibers. Now some axon go from posterior to anterior and from anterior to posterior. Okay, antero-posteriorly or antero-posteriorly and postero-anteriorly. So and these are called these associate information from postero-anteriorly and antero-posteriorly. So these are called association fibers. Association fibers. Okay, now if I sum up this video, what we learned, group of, this is our centrally present our central nervous system, peripherally peripheral nervous system, and our nervous system made up by neurons. Okay, if group of cell bodies present in central nervous system, these are called gray matter, and group of axon present in central nervous system, they are called white matter. And if group of axon, cell bodies present peripheral nervous system, they are called ganglion, and if group of axon present in peripheral nervous system, they are called nerves. Now group of axon present in central nervous system are called gray matter, and if gray matter present surface of the cerebrum or surface of the cerebellum, they are called cortex. And if cell bodies present a deep part of the central nervous system and they are surrounded by white matter or axon, or surrounded by white matter or surrounded by axon, they are called nucleus. Now white matter, group of axon present in central nervous systems are called white matter. If information go upward, then these are ascending tract. If information go up to downward, then these are descending tract. Then if information go from right to left or left to right, or some axon connect right side to left side and left side to right side, these are commissural fibers. And some axon take information posterior-anteriorly or antero-posteriorly, these are association fibers. So these all about for today. I hope you understand it. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.